What transpires when a tech behemoth like Google decides to eliminate its entire Python team? That's the question we're grappling with today as we delve into the recent controversial layoffs at the tech giant. In a move that has roused debate and criticism, Google has dismissed several employees, chiefly focusing on its Python team. This decision is part of a broader cost-cutting strategy, with the aim of hiring less expensive labor outside the United States. This news has left many employees disenchanted and disheartened. One former Python team member with a career spanning over 2 decades at Google expressed profound disappointment. They found it unjust that the company should initiate layoffs, especially given their significant contributions over the years. Another affected employee lamented the distressing experience of watching their entire team, including their manager, laid off and replaced with remote workers from overseas. The sudden termination of the US-based Python team, which consisted of fewer than 10 members, has triggered concerns about the stability of Google's Python ecosystem. This team had the responsibility of managing critical aspects of Google's Python infrastructure, including maintaining thousands of third-party packages and developing a type checker. These recent layoffs follow previous staff reductions within Google's real estate and finance departments. Ruth Porat, Google's finance chief, communicated to employees that the company is undergoing wider restructuring efforts to focus more on locations like Bangalore, Mexico City, and Dublin. Earlier this year, in January, Google dismissed hundreds of workers across multiple teams, such as engineering, hardware, and assistant teams. This action signifies a broader trend within the company as it navigates restructuring efforts and seeks to optimize its workforce and operations. The decision to dismiss the entire Python team has sparked a heated debate and criticism within the tech community. Many are questioning Google's priorities and treatment of its employees. As Google continues to implement cost-cutting measures and restructuring initiatives, the repercussions of these decisions on its workforce and overall operations remain to be seen. To sum up, Google's recent layoffs, specifically targeting the Python team, have caused a stir within the tech community. The company's restructuring and cost-cutting efforts have not only affected the morale of its employees, but also raised concerns about the future of its Python ecosystem. As Google continues to navigate these changes, the impact on its workforce and operations is yet to be fully understood.